Hello developers, the GitHub Copilot SDK is now officially in technical preview. Now what does that mean? Fair question. Have you played with the CLI? In case you haven't, check it out really quick. The CLI has built-in tools to plan projects and features, update files, and run a bunch of different commands, use custom agents, and delegate tasks to the cloud. This could be a whole other video, so I'll leave it there. Now what if you don't want to live in the CLI? That's where the SDK shines. With the GitHub Copilot SDK, you can use the power of the CLI anywhere you want. It currently supports TypeScript and Node.js, Go, .NET, and Python, and you can build GUIs that use AI tools, personal tools that level up your productivity, custom internal agents and enterprise workflows, and more, all powered by your Copilot subscription. Here's an example app that I built for myself. I wanted a cute GUI on top of my projects where I can chat with agents and run tasks. I logged in with GitHub and I can explore the repo here and then pick which models and agents I want. Now I'll kick off this task. This is just a small example of what you can do. Think of the SDK as an AI platform where GitHub does all the heavy lifting of authentication, model management, MCP server management, custom agent management, chat sessions, plus streaming. That means you're in control of what gets created on top of these building blocks. GitHub is all about developer choice. Whether you're building an extension to your IDE, a CLI tool, a web app, a desktop app, or an app for your refrigerator, which I'm joking about, but actually, the GitHub Copilot SDK can get you there. Now, enough talking, head to the repo and learn more. Let's build.